If you've been looking for a large family home in the picturesque town of Port Hope, you're definitely going to want to check this one out. This 3+1 bedroom home has in-law suite capabilities, hardwood floors, and an above-ground pool. You will love all the features this home has to offer. Come on in, let's go take a look around. As you enter, you're greeted by a large open foyer with double closets, and the beautiful French doors lead you right into the living room with hardwood floors. The large windows in the dining room make this space beautiful and bright. Your bright, functional kitchen overlooks your private rear yard. You'll love the family room located right off the kitchen with a cozy wood fireplace. The upper level has 2 great-sized bedrooms with an ensuite effect. The large primary bedroom comes complete with a walk-in closet and has a great 5-piece ensuite overlooking the beautiful town of Port Hope. A great feature is the in-law suite located in the lower level with a separate entrance, providing great opportunities. You'll have hours of fun in your above-ground pool, and don't forget the hot tub.